I'm here at Tineco's CES 2026 booth, and I'm here with Nathan, who's going to be showing me some of their products.
Yeah,
Nathan, thanks for joining me.
Nice to meet you.
So what do we got here to start?
This is our S9 Artist Steam.
Okay.
So this is one of the only, if not the first, cordless steam floor washer. You want to give it a spin?
I do want to give it a spin, yeah. We have a bit of a mess here.
It is a bit of a mess.
Dog food on the floor. I've been there many times.
Yeah. Now this also features smart technology that will automatically detect what's on the floor and adjust the performance accordingly.
Oh, okay.
It'll tell you when the floor is dirty, when it's clean, and you can move on to the next. That also allows you to maximize the runtime. It's putting down clean water and a cleaning solution, and it's keeping the dirty water and the clean water separate the entire time.
Wow.
You can also put it into steam mode. So push this button here.
Okay.
So right now it's telling you that it's preparing steam. Really, really good on tile.
Yeah.
Really good in the bathrooms. And you'll notice that it actually leaves it really quite dry. All right, now, what's really nice about this one is it'll tell you if it needs to clean it. So it wants you to clean the dirty water tank, but you can also do this. This is a heated drying system.
Okay.
So you can push this button up here. It goes into self-cleaning mode. So what it's going to do is it's going to clean the brush roller. You're going to hear it turn up. It's going to clear the entire system, and it's going to dry the roller then and dry out all the internal systems with heated dry.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
So it's ready to go the next time. You don't have any risk. It minimizes anything with bacteria, smells, all that kind of stuff. And then the only thing you need to do is clean the dirty water tank when you're done.
Yeah.
Put it back in, and it's ready to go.
Awesome. And the S9 Scientist, it's taking what the artist does and just gives it a really cool aesthetic.
Yeah, so it's a really cool design, really tech forward, but functionality-wise, operates the same.
I can't say I've ever had this much fun vacuuming something or cleaning something in my life, that's for sure.
Yeah, thanks for getting up all the the footprints.
You're welcome.
Imagine you tracking mud, you tracking salt, dirt that you can't even see. We had a campaign one time, and a lot of people started calling the dirty water tank forbidden chocolate milk, because they're like, I didn't even realize it could be that dirty. I didn't realize my floors were as dirty
Most
as they
people
were.
don't, yeah.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Another bit that's different between the artist and the scientist is that we're incorporating this scraper that helps capture more of that water. It's coming down only when you're pulling back.
Okay.
And this is just so easy because it combines tasks that you do separately. You vacuum, you get out a mop and a bucket, or some other form of cleaning.
Yeah.
I don't even really vacuum downstairs anymore. And I also use this on my low pile area rugs, like on my entryway. Refreshes them, cleans them up really well too.
Yeah.
Not its primary purpose, it's primarily hard floor, but it does work in that as well.
Cool.
The design is nice enough where it can fit in seamlessly.
Yeah.
Right,
yeah.
with your household, you don't have to hide them away.
The fact that it can just like sit there and it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb.
Correct.
So it makes it easy for you to grab it and you don't have to go and like stuff it in a closet somewhere.
Yeah, you don't always have a plug in a closet, right? So this it can sit outside, it can look nice. Quite honestly, everybody who comes over to our house is like, what is this thing? Can I get a demo? And everybody's like, I need one, you know?
Yeah.
Makes it fun. Cleaning up after parties is easy.
Yeah, I bet. Cool, let's go check out some more stuff.
Sure.
And now we have the Floor One S9 Master.
Yeah.
So tell me about this.
So a lot of the same technologies, a little bit more simplified, a little bit more cost effective for people, but still a lot of the great technologies. You still see the iLOOP smart sensor here, still has a heated dry. What we really like about this model and the other models, by placing the water tank at the head, it improves the maneuverability, the ability to swivel, because it reduces the center of gravity, which also means less weight on your wrist. And you also notice that this has a green reveal light.
Yeah, I do.
That actually reveals more hidden dirt and dust.
Still has a quiet mode, that's great.
Still has a quiet mode, yep.
Heat mode.
Heat mode will dry the floor. Auto will automatically adjust based on what it's sensing.
Okay.
So it really does turn up the suction, turns up the water and solution mix when it's sensing that it needs to clean more. And this also has the spray, so you can spray it on extra hard, sticky surfaces.
Oh, cool.
And all these models have more than enough runtime to basically clean an entire house.
Awesome. And last but certainly not least, we have the Floor One i7 Fold. And this one's talking a lot about how lightweight it is. So can you tell me a little more about that and the design?
Yeah, it's super lightweight. It's also really great for small spaces, condos, apartments.
That's me.
What's really nice about this is that it articulates, so you don't even have to bend down to get under a couch, under a bed. Still has all the same functionality, but again, this is prioritizing convenience and weight over absolute power. Really, really good for small spaces.
So much easier.
So much easier, because you don't have to bend all the way down. And it'll articulate all the way down to the floor, so you truly can get under any tight space, nook, cranny.
It has a wheel on the back, and that's how you're not just like scratching your floor at the back, and it's just smoothly gliding across the floor. So the whole thing is horizontal because of that wheel. Same screen, same settings, so quiet mode here.
Yeah, again, no need to vacuum and mop. Does it all in one.
Does it all in one, yeah, and it's super foldable. I imagine probably take this with you places if you wanted to. It's so lightweight.
Easily, yeah.
Yeah.
What we at Tineco try to do is build products that have functionalities for whatever your use case is, right?
Yeah.
Not everybody needs the big, powerful workhorse. Some people just need something like this to get it clean, and we have products that any price range will work for you.
So that's Tineco's CES 2026 exhibit, and Nathan, I can honestly say that might have been the most fun I've ever had vacuuming and cleaning, which I didn't think I'd ever have fun doing that, but you guys make it so easy.
Hey, it's fun to clean, and you know, I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and excited to bring these to market, and thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And for everything else with CES 2026, stay right here at Tom's Guide.